What's up, everybody? Wayne Barron here with my blog, and working on my mother's 2001 Ford Taurus. The VIN number is S, and the reason why I say the VIN number is S is because there's three VIN numbers. I can't remember the other two. Actually, one of the VIN numbers is a 2, the other one is something else. But depends on which VIN number that you have would depend on what type of watering system that you have in the car. Okay, the 2001 Ford Taurus S VIN number, which is what we've got, runs a water distribution system, which is like this right here. Okay, it costs with shipping 20% discount from oh shoot, I don't forgot the name of the company. I'll post a link in the description below. But anyway, with shipping and everything, it was $106, I think, or $102 for this. Okay, now the other two VIN numbers have just regular hoses. I mean, I don't understand why Ford did it, but I like to slap the engineer that designed this, because as you're getting ready to see in a second, it's going to be a pain in the butt to replace this part on the 2001 Ford Taurus S VIN number. And I think it's the 8th number, or the 8th digit in your VIN number is going to be that number, and this one is the S. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it and see if we can't replace this $100 part. Okay, I'm going to try to explain exactly what's going on here. And what we've got is that the water distribution system, which this is the original piece of how it went, sort of went like this right here. Okay, well, this one right here broke off because, well, it's plastic, and anybody that knows plastic after a while is going to corrode and break. But these stupid car manufacturers insist on using plastic where there is water going through. So 2001 to 2014, 13 years, took it out. To where if they had some other material, then we wouldn't be having this video right now. So it corroded, it came apart, it broke. Luckily it did it on me instead of on my mother, because I wouldn't want her to be stranded on that day, because it was 101 degrees that day. So anyway, but this part broke right here in the back as well, but it broke later on. But yeah, that's what we're going to be replacing. So what we got to do is that we got to remove this section of our air unit, and so that we can get up underneath here to remove this section, and then we got to replace a lot of parts in order to replace this. So basically it's going to go in there like so. Okay, but it comes with this entire outfit right here. So basically it's going to go on here like this, and then which you can't see it right now, well yeah you can, right here is our water line that goes over to our tub, where we put water in at, instead of putting it in the radiator like we did in the older cars, we put it inside the tub. So anyway, this goes on there like so. This connects on to this area here, and then yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So best of luck. So let's go ahead and get this part taken off, and this right here is a 3/8. Yep, 3/8. So that's going to take off this. Okay, so we got this part off. Go ahead and remove this so we can slide it off without a problem. Yep. Okay. Alright, now we need to remove this part, so we're just going to unhook or undo this screw right here on the bracket. can move it over here to the side. So that will take care of that part. Only thing we need to do now is get this out of our way. And you can't work without bleeding, so yeah, make sure that you bleed a little bit. It's I don't know, it's the mechanic code, I reckon. So so we got a bunch of wires in our way, so we're gonna remove that out of the way. Okay, so basically what we need to do here is we've got to remove this bracket here, remove that bracket, and that will disconnect them two pieces, and that's all we need to do right here. So if things go right, this shouldn't take too long. Well, if you got something that you can use to cut this thing off with, that would be your best bet. But if you don't, then that right there will work. Getting into the back is going to be the hard part. As you can see, this one right here was a pain to get to. I love Ford, but I really hate how they do crap. But see, they're not the only ones to do that crap. Other car companies do it as well. Okay. Alright, everything's off. So what we need to do now is we need to clean this off, and then we can put them back on yonder. And we're going to use other clamps instead of the stupid clamps that freaking came with the thing. So give me a second and we'll finish this thing up. Okay, well that takes care of that part. And okay, so we've got this on. So now we got to take this and we can see it. This right here is our radiator hose. So we got to connect our radiator hose up to here and then back up to here. So that's what we're going to do next. Okay, we got that clamped down. I'll take this one, put that one there, and put this, see, put this one here. Okay, and then go ahead and move this up to here. Come on, get over there. Okay, so that's there. Now, take this and bring it up to there. Now, that has everything connected there. We'll put this back on here, and then take this and get it on here. Take this down here. There we go. Get my seal. Okay, let's go here. Just like so. Okay.